Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking cards for your daily energy, for your career situation and love energy, Scorpios. So that is for your daily energy, Scorpios. This is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your love energy, Scorpios. And we will open the cards as we proceed, guys, and I'll be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle guidance. So we will open the card at last. I'll keep it here. So let's start with the daily reading, Scorpios. So it is 5 of spheres in reverse. So this card may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, guys, your relationship. So with this card, in your relationship or in your career, there are certain struggles and disorders that you're facing today. Some kind of troubles in your situation or troubles in your life. Maybe some difficult situations are there in your career. Maybe you may see some delays in your project or some suspensions, or for some of you it may be a financial loss or loss of work, or some kind of difficult circumstance, guys. And maybe in your relationship it may be a situation of some you may be into some quarrels, some arguments, and I see troubles with this card, guys. That is what that card is about, Scorpio. So what is the card for your career situation? It's 4 of Suns in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you may be seeing some progress in life, in your career, especially some new projects or some kind of advancements, some path leading to some success, maybe, guys. So that is what I see. And also for some of you, you may have people who have helped you all along in your in helping you to reach this state. So you need to give them credit, guys. That is what this card is about. The reason you are there in this position may be because of this people, because of the teamwork. So you have to acknowledge their role. That is what this card is about, Scorpio. So what is the card for your relationship, guys? It's 9 of Stars. So with this card, this may relate to your personal life, how you feel about this person or what they feel about you, guys. So this card, the energy with this card, guys, you may feel fear or some kind of threat in your situation today, guys. So something is not good. Maybe this person you are in connection with, they may not have that strength to protect you. That may be the reason for some worry or stressful situation. And there are people who are talking behind you. Some kind of gossips are there, and you may be anxious, and you generally fear this connection. Maybe because of this person or because of the way they behave. This may be your energy towards this connection, or this may be their energy towards you. So that is what I see with this card. So that is what this card is about, guys. So some troubles in this relationship because this person you are in connection with, they don't have that strength. They are weak. They are unable to support you in your life, and they are afraid. And maybe for some of you, you may be very emotional and anxious today, guys. That is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, Scorpios. So for your Rumi Oracle guidance card, let us see what is the card here, guys. These cards must be read straight, guys. Star Mother Arrakis. So that is the card. So these oracle guidance cards, these may or may not relate to our situation, but this is a general guidance. So what we can do every day to make things better in our life, guys. So that is what this card is about. No matter what our situation is, Scorpios, today, we may be facing lots of difficulties, lots of stress, lots of situations where we feel ashamed and really low in our psyche. But whatever it is, we are all blessed because in each and every one of us there is a spark of the divine in us, guys. We need to be proud of our holy heritage. So the universe or the higher power, that is the divinity from which we have come. So we are a part of that great divine force. So we can be happy, we do not have to fear anything. So we just have to enjoy this day, be fearless. So when we are without fear and when we are happy, no matter what the situation is, we welcome more happiness and strength and abundance and prosperity in our life. So that is what this card is about, Scorpios, and that is a reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.